Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the coolant and replace the thermostat from this Mercedes with a V6 gasoline engine. Okay, so now the panel is off and we get access to the nozzle. So let's see. Now from this point, as you can see, this one is almost all the way opened. However, the coolant is not coming out. So this is actually a good sign. It means that the cooling system is sealed. Let's go ahead and open the coolant cap and you will see how much coolant is coming out. Now the thermostat is located right here, so in order to avoid a lot of coolant spillage, you want to press on this hose and you can hear how the coolant flow is increasing because you're gonna have a lot of coolant left inside the engine block. Okay, so now we've got here a 7mm. Let's remove this hose clamp. Let's see. Okay, so next you're gonna find two E10 bolts, one here and one here. Now before taking down the thermostat, I'm gonna place an aluminum foil right under it because I expect coolant to come out and I don't want that coolant to splash around the crankshaft pulley, the serpentine belt and all these components. Well, there is some coolant coming out, but not that much. So this is the thermostat together with the housing. You have to replace it in one unit. Okay, now let's clean the surface where the gasket will sit. The gasket will go on the thermostat and place the thermostat on. Tighten the bolts. And let's reconnect this main radiator hose. Finally, let's tighten this nozzle here. And finally, let's add the coolant. As I said, this car will take blue coolant. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. Go ahead and check out the join button as well if you want. Let me know if you have questions, and until next time, drive safe so I can see you in the next video.